Zebec network, we believe it is going to explode this cycle. In this video, we're going to talk on Zebec network, short term and long term and mid term. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. This is ZBCN big picture chart. We believe we had leg one of the cycle here. All right, this was leg one. Okay, this was leg one. Ooh, this was leg two here, as you can see here, leg two. And now we believe we are in leg three. Okay, we are in leg three, which can be longer and more and bigger actually than the first leg up. So remember, you have first leg up, second leg down, third leg up, fourth leg down, and fifth leg up. Okay, so we now believe we're in the third leg. Okay, and there is a chance, man, sir, ladies and gentlemen, there is a chance inside the leg three. Okay, we talked about the big one. You will have as well a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cycle. Okay, that's how it goes. Okay, so we believe there is a chance this was the leg one out of the third. So now we're looking on leg two out of the third to come. Again, speculation only. I might be completely wrong. I'm just sharing my thoughts. This is not a financial advice. Nothing we say is financial advice. It's purely entertainment. YouTube is entertainment. Okay. Now, if this is leg one, now we're going to leg two. Okay. Now leg two can be pullback kind of a move down, or it can go sideways, you know, some kind of a sideways consolidation. Okay, some kind of a sideways consolidation before breaking out into leg three of the bigger leg three. So yeah, that's what we're looking for. Now, show you what I'm watching. Now we're having this trend line here that coming from the peak and connecting these two highs. If it, let's say, will go sideways here and break out from here, that will be an amazing breakout trade. Make sure to join the membership if you want to trade ZBCN with us. We've been trading ZBCN all the way from here. Okay, the breakout, we smoke it, and all went from here. We traded it here and here, and actually a little bit here. Now we're waiting for this second leg to complete it, and then we're gonna trade it again. We're gonna buy it again. Now you can see here, it broke. You had this little uptrend here. It broke down. Okay, so that means there is a chance of a pullback. Okay, now you also have, this is a daily chart. You can see this daily chart. Let's zoom in here on the 4 hourly. See if we have divergence on the 4 hour chart. You can see the bearish divergence here. The ZBCN made a higher high, and you have a bearish divergence. The RSI is going down. Okay, so you can see clearly momentum peaked here, and it's going lower as the price went a bit higher. That's bearish divergence for ZBCN short term. Okay, we're not talking in long term. Long term, we're bullish on ZBCN. We're looking for 10 cents, maybe to $1 for this cycle. But let's see if that's not a financial advice. So we're looking for a pullback now. Now, if you go on the daily, look, this is the 100-day MA. 100-day MA, it's at 38 at the moment and climbing, 36 at the moment and climbing. Okay, so can definitely retest the 100. You can see how it's respecting the 100. That was a test, and that was a test. That was like a nice double bottom, kind of higher low W formation here. That was on top of the 100-day. So can definitely come back and test the 100-day for just a retest. You know, a retest, this is how markets move. They run, pull back, run, pull back, run, pull back. Okay, it can also do a bigger pullback into the 200-day. You know, it can happen. Okay, it can happen. We're not saying it will happen. I'm not saying it will happen. I don't think it will happen at all. But it can. Now you can see also the 50-day MA is at at 4. Okay, at 0.04. So could definitely come down. You know, to test these levels. You know, for the whales. The whales, you know, where they're buying, they're selling. They create the chart. You know, so. This thing can retest here, come back, you know, bottom out, then squeeze, you know, under this trend line, maybe do something like this, maybe pull back a little bit more, and then boom, and then you're gonna have the explode. That will be the best trade ever if it's gonna happen. It's put in big money on this one. Anyway, we're gonna keep you posted. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. We think ZBCN is about to be a little bit, it might be a little bit choppy now, choppy and boring. That's what we think, because the big caps are taking all the liquidity, all the attention. The Ethereum, the Bitcoin. At the moment, you don't see a ZBCN participating in the rally of Ethereum, so that makes me believe it might not participate in the rally, okay, and it might need to wait for its moment as Ethereum and Bitcoin bouncing or going to new highs, and maybe other large cap are going. This thing will consolidate and then will melt faces later, something like this. Okay, so again, this is my 2 cents. I might be completely wrong, and tomorrow wake up and ZBCN going to the moon, to knocking on heaven's doors. Anything can happen in this market. This is not a financial advice. By the way, we invite you, join our VIP, man. By the way, get yourself a Bitunix account. You can trade all cryptos out there. You have links and tutorials on how to use the Bitunix account on my YouTube channel. The best exchange by far. You can trade from the US, Canada, Australia, no VPN, no KYC. They give you USDT bonuses for deposits. Amazing exchange. Literally no trading fees, like almost zero trading fees. Man, the best exchange I ever traded in my life. Check it out. And let me show you a trade we took. We took multiple trades, man. We're working. This is altcoin season. You can see this is AIOT. Bought some at August 7th. Couple of days ago, 4 days ago, at 43 and at 466. Look at AIOT trade, man. Look at it. Easy peasy. I marked it already. That was our entry here. You can see 43, 46. That was the entry here, 7th of August. And we doubled up here on the 8th of August. Then it went up 50% and like, what is it? 55% and 50% from our entries. Man, easy profit. Now we rotate it to other trades. Easy profit, pump, and we're out in the money. Moving on. We have many trades coming all the time. This is an altcoin season now. Really, you don't want to be holding, a coin all in. If you are a hodler, that's cool, man. Be a hodler. That's okay. But don't be all in hodler. Be 50% of your account holding. Let's say you hold ZBCN. Cool, man. Another 50% trade it. Because at some point, your coin will chop sideways, will go down. You don't want to waste time in the markets, okay? This is the most important time of the cycle now. In the next couple of months, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, it's the most important time of the cycle. Every day, your account is not going up. You lose money, you lose opportunities. You don't want that. We invite you to join our VIP, where it's not going to happen. We're going to show you exactly what we do, how we trade crypto professionally, stops, take profits, plans, market updates, trade alerts coming daily. Check it out. You have a 25% off with the code SummerSale25 when you go to the WAP at checkout. You put SummerSale25 on the coupon code. Bam, you get a discount. You join our membership. Once you join, check your messages on WAP. I'll send you videos you need to watch on how to buy the breakouts and set up the trades. Easy peasy. 3 minutes a video. Watch that. Join our family. You're going to love it. See you in the next video. Cheers.